In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Presto card in Bus. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to use your Presto card in any bus that supports it is to have enough balance and make sure that your card is all set up. So before you board the bus and you actually scan the card in order to board it, I recommend that you go to their website or you do this process through the mobile app in order to load the card with balance. When you go to the website, you will have plenty of information regarding the Presto card, and if necessary, you can get one from the website. In this video, I'm gonna assume that you already have a Presto card, but keep that in mind. In here, access the menu, which you can also find on the mobile app, and select the Presto card option. You should see the option to load a card immediately. When you tap load a Presto card, you will have plenty of ways to load funds into the card. I recommend that you use this first one, but if you plan to use the bus on maybe a weekly interval, daily interval, you might want to consider setting up auto load, which is going to do this process automatically for you in a repeated manner. Regardless of which option you pick, when you select any of them, you will have plenty of ways to actually load your funds. Usually this process is done through the app or online. So select either of those options and sign into your account. Follow through the instructions on screen, how much you want to load, and you will be able to have it set up. Once the funds are loaded into the card, all you have to do to actually use the card is to present the card next to the card reader when you board any bus that supports Presto and other services. You should be able to find the card reader close to the entrance and just place your card close to it. If you have enough balance and your card was set up properly, it should go through smoothly. The balance is going to get deducted and now you can board the bus. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, I highly recommend that you talk to their customer support, as the problem might not be apparent from the get-go. So talk to their customer support. You will find their virtual assistant who will be able to guide you through the process of verifying and properly setting up your Presto card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Presto card in a bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.